Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the page size of your scanned document on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon in order to scan a new document, so click on Scan. Tap on the camera icon down below and scan your document, so hold your phone steady in order to capture the document. And after that, you should drag the handles to adjust the borders and tap on Continue. Click on the document in the right side corner of the screen down below. You should tap on the page size icon down below, and here there is the auto fit options such as the A4 portrait, landscape, A3 portrait, A3 landscape, A5 portrait and landscape, US letter portrait, letter landscape, legal portrait and legal landscape. As you can see, these are all they are all different options and page sizes. So click on the relevant one and then tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen if you want to save your scanned document as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.